good run. Lead the power in. Full power. Oh, the wheels! What's up guys, thanks for joining me for the unboxing of this SkyRC GSM020. You may have seen this being used by some of the top RC YouTubers, so I thought I would get one, go through it with you. We'll load up the app on my phone, get familiar with all the functions, and then take it out in the real world, strap it to some RCs and see what results we get. So let me settle you down, we'll open it up and get that started. Okay, so here we are. Let's have a look at the box first. It's got some information on the back there for you if you want to pause that and read it. It's basically this in a nutshell. So let's get it open. And there we go. Nice little unit. We've got some instructions on the back. Charging cable, USB to USB-C. So I assume this has a USB-C connection. It's got a built-in LiPo battery, 500 milliamp hour LiPo. Once charged, good for about 5 hours use apparently. Let's have a little look at these instructions. Get our heads around these. So there's a little bit of blurb there. I think that's pretty much what it had on the back of the box. We've got details of the LED lights on the device itself. Charging the device before use. Please make sure to charge the battery before its first use and check the battery capacity before every use. Right, so let's get that charged up then, using that, and then we'll have a look at installing the app. Okay, so I've plugged the USB end into my charger, and there's the USB-C going in, and we've got a blinking light indicating that charging is in progress, so apparently up to 3 hours. In the meantime, we'll have a look at the instructions and have a look at setting up that app. So before we download the app, we need to know a little bit more. So we need to turn Bluetooth on our phone, then we need to search RC Gears app, install that, and then it says you will be asked to choose your device, click the Bluetooth symbol and select your device. So what I'll do is bring the device over and bring up a screen grab of my phone for you. Okay, so with the power of video editing, we are ready to select our Play Store, then select RC Gears app, which I've already searched for. There it is, install. There we go, didn't take very long at all, so we'll open that up. Thanks for using RC Gears app. Blah blah blah, agree. Allow RC Gears to connect and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow. Okay, so that brings us up this menu here. So ours is the GNSS Performance Analyzer GSM020, so let's click that. Choose your device. I have got Bluetooth on, so there we go. This is the screen that we're all familiar with. So Bluetooth is currently on, and I can see that the device there is now confirmed it's connected via Bluetooth. We've got a green LED for the satellites, and we can see on the screen there it's now picking up a number of satellites. So we're around 8 satellites now, 9, 10. Okay, so I mean, even sat at the bench here, it's picking up, you know, between 8 and 10 satellites. So looks like it's working all right. We've got track, so that is what you would do for your speed runs. So let's give it a go. Press start, and then let's whiz this about. There we go. Stop, read, and there we have it. Top speed there of 2 kilometers an hour. Time elapsed 0.1 of a second. Average speed, distance, got everything there. It's looking really good. So not much else to do now apart from let this finish charging up, and then we'll take it out and give it a test. Thanks for watching, guys. See you out on location. Right, here we are out on our first location. I've got these two beauties with me. Sorry about the wind, if that ruins the audio, but basically I'll take a load of footage of these boys. Got the GPS strapped up there to the HPI Jumpshot, which I've got a brushless system in there, so it's pretty quick on a 3S Z LiPo battery. So what I'll do now is get the app opened up and take this for a run and see what sort of speeds we can record. Right, so we're all fired up. We've got our power light, we've got satellites, and we're connected via Bluetooth. This is our speed run. We've just got to wait for these people and their dog. Alright, just before we start, I shall change this from kph to mph. So hit the settings, and then we've got unit there. Click that, and then we've got kph mile ph, so we go for mile ph and back out of there, and then we're in miles per hour. Hit start, we're good to go. So let's see what speed we get. Well, I'm going to try this one-handed at the moment, but this controller has got some reach on the thumb steer, so let's see what we can do. I'm not sure about this. I might have to get my mate to help. Okay, we're doing it. That wasn't quite full power, so let's head back, feed the power in. That's full throttle. Oh, we've got a dog here. Oh, and I think I've stripped the pinion. No, maybe not. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, let's go for it, but I'll feed the power in. There we go. Full throttle. Brake. Brakes on this are not good. So let's come back. Feed the power in. Full throttle. Good full throttle. Braking, braking, braking. Okay, that was a good run. Let's see what speed we got. So we press stop and then read 30 miles an hour on the nose. I think we could probably get a little bit faster. So let's go back, back. There we go. Back to the screen there. So if we just hit start, just give this a test. Yeah, it's working. So you can actually just close your phone, put it in your pocket, and then get back on it. Alright, let's give it full beans. There you go, full beans. Okay, okay. Stopping this thing isn't quite as easy. It is a beast. Here we go. We'll just feed the power in. No, 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 no. Hit a puddle and then it went all wobbly, so let's bring it back this way. I got full power just now, so let's give this one more go. Feed the power in. Here we go. Full beans. And we managed to brake this time. Right, let's have a look at the app. So stop, read 31, yay! So we did get more, 1 more mile an hour. I think that's probably its maximum, to be fair. Let's get this rigged onto the HyperGo there, MJX HyperGo, and see what that can do. Running the stock battery in the HyperGo at the moment. It's a 2S lithium ion battery. Let's see if it's reading. Yeah, start, good to go. We'll give the little MJX HyperGo a rip with its big wheels. Feed the power in, just be gentle, let's get a feel for this first. Very bumpy, so let's go, full power. Into the grass. That was full power just for a little bit. That's full throttle. Decent amount of full throttle there. Try and turn it around and come back. Oh no, gone a bit wild. No, bit wild. Definitely a bit wild. Let's just give it one more try. Alright, coming back this way, I'll just check around me. Alright, we're all clear. Let's bring it back, I'll feed the power on, here we go. Full throttle. Okay, that was a pretty good run. Here we are. Stop. Read. 27 miles an hour out of that little thing. Awesome. And that's on a stock 2S lithium ion battery as well, on this surface. So not bad at all. Close that down. What I'll do now is put a 3S LiPo in this and see what speed we get, if we can actually manage to drive it on this, but we'll see. It will be fun nonetheless. We're good to go, so we'll start. It's reading, so let's go. Okay, we'll just get a feel for it first. Got some power. No. Right, turn it around, here we go. Feed it on very gently. No, hit a bump. Right, let's come this way. It's sliding all over the shop. Right, let's try that again. There's a bit of a lump there, so let's get around that. Ready, feed it on. No, nowhere near full power. It's gone tumbly wumbly. Oh, I've got power to get going again, so I'm back on the tarmac, so... Oh no, yeah. Here we go. No, I'm not sure if I'm going to get full power of this, guys, on 3S. This is a little bit too quick. Get down the far end. Turn it around. Right. We're all clear, let's try and get as quick as we can. Let's go, feed the power in gently, over a lump. Not anywhere near full speed there. Oh my lord. So let's just try this again. We've got to keep trying. I mean, that was at least a little bit more stable, so let's go. Okay, nowhere near full power again, and just went veering off and crashed into the grass, so let's go and retrieve him. I can see why we might have veered off there. Look, tyres blown off the rims, my bad, should have glued them on. Let's see what speed we got. Nevertheless. Oh dear, poor thing. So we will stop, read 29 miles an hour. So we were at 27 on the stock battery, 29 with the 3S LiPo, but nowhere near full power. Let's just give it another go. There we are, we got the tyres back on, best I can, just pushed them on. I think they're going to be our Achilles heel now. Is that 3S power spinning up those wheels, unable to get traction. It's just going to keep throwing those tyres off, but nevertheless we shall try again. One more go I reckon, so we'll go start. Okay, yeah, that's good. Let's give this a rip. So let's get the feel for it again. Let's go down that far end. It's so quick. Okay, here we go. 3S. Feed the power in. Full power. Oh, the wheels have Okay, so what you didn't hear me finish saying there was the wheels have exploded. I think I hit a bump. All the tyres decided to fly off apart from that one, which managed to hang on. And I've just spent about 5 minutes looking for the tyres, so managed to round them all up. So that's definitely the end of that. Too much power and not the right location. So let's go stop, see what speed we got after all of that. 33. Sweet. Right, well guys, thanks for watching this. I'm going to take all this back, get those tyres glued on, find a smoother surface and revisit this, but overall the SkyRC GSM020 has been great fun. It's worked a treat, not had any problems, really easy to use, nice and intuitive. If you're thinking about getting one yourself, check out the link below. Thanks for watching this video guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.